Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tarot with Aisha. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are here again with week ahead reading for the week starting 7th of June to 13th of June. If you are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed it, go ahead and subscribe it right away and hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, you can reach out to me on my Instagram or Facebook page for personalized readings. Links to these are mentioned in the description box below. I see that in the upcoming week there is going to be some good times coming up for you, whereas for some of the people it is going to be that they are going to dwell in their past. Some of the past moments are going to keep them engaged in their thoughts, but for some of them I see that these past instances are going to bring some good news in their upcoming week. For the people who are going to be dwelling with their thoughts related to the past, I see there is going to be a lot of confusion related to some of the decision that they are making. This might be in terms of anything, maybe in terms of your career or maybe in terms of your relationship. I see that you are going to be very confused. You are not going to be able to reach out to a decision, and maybe you might be thinking a lot and might also end up taking a wrong decision. So it is advised that you wisely take a decision, analyze everything and then make a decision. Additionally, I have 4 of Swords and 5 of Cups, which means there is definitely going to be some kind of disappointment, depression coming up in your way. Maybe for all the efforts that you are putting in your career is not going to serve you in this week. Maybe you are going to be questioned for whatever efforts that you are being putting in, and you might not get the required results. So it is advised that instead of putting a lot of efforts in this week, take some time out for yourself, take rest so that you do not get into that depression zone, and will find some or the other way to overcome this situation in your life. Also with the 5 of Cups, I think that there is going to be some disappointment in terms of relationships. What I see is, हो सकता है अगर कोई relationship में हो, कोई decision लेने वाले हो, तो this might not work in your favor. This is going to be for some of you and it is not going to be for everyone. As I said in the beginning, for some of you, from the past decisions that you have made, you are going to get some good news coming up in your way. Let's see what blessings are going to come up in our way and what could be the challenges that some of us might face. Okay, so I have a World card over here, which means there is going to be some kind of positive changes, some life-changing events coming up in your way in this week. Maybe you might be making a decision or you might hear something that would be a life-changing event for you. Obviously in a positive way, but you are definitely going to hear something. Maybe in someone who is looking for career might receive some opportunity, or for someone who is waiting for a relationship to go ahead, or for something, maybe if you are finding a partner, you might find a partner for getting married, or maybe your relationship might improve in this upcoming week. And for the others, I have the 2 of Cups over here, which is also again a positive card. So for the people who are going to face challenges in this week, who might go in some confusion state, for them here I would suggest with the 2 of Cups over here that you need to take time out for yourself, talk with the people, talk to the person that you can trust and share your feelings. Also, if there is some problem due to some other person's involvement, directly reach out to the person, have mutual conversation and sort the things out. This is what is going to help you to come out from the emotional depression that you might go into in the upcoming week. So this is all for the upcoming week. Do let me know in the comment section if you could resonate with the readings. Do not forget to like and share the video and follow me on my Instagram page. Until next time, stay indoors, stay safe.